Komisi benta ban pen urlong biang kumba laja house nem sejak nice pa khnai pupra hakaba ka United Democratic Party kalayo ban batlut ya nyutili kisit napo ka rilom Jaintia. Hakani kenti bamenta u president ka United Democratic Party Meghalaya State Youth Wing uba kerman selal penpau baka parti kan persang ban pen urlong biang election arja pulai ban yo obat ya baro kisit na rilom Jaintia. Habai keren mat kilar thai kubol ba kerman selau badairu menteri kesarkar bapai yaknat social welfare uloong baki persang habaro report ligisit bat kata kadai ke Kwah jengkiwei ki parti ban job yak election kidon kam yu pai ba
kecing persang ya baro report ligisit kata kadai Kwah jeng kawai ke parti Henry Indians nomor kawai ke parti ka don like jong ke tactic strategy ngirum don like jong strategy Henry Indian long ke mindset jong pai ba kebetulan kami ban job ke election mi don kami pai ba teladau pai ba ui ba ke UDP don cikmen hangi ngingin do cikmen min boy je thong la min salit ye ke government teladau pai ba pat dang don doubt ini nomor bunsen bisa page ke party UDP especially hakini ki south nem tam duna sans nem isai ong ini ba you are the kingmakers handai yangi pat ki aitang handrio new seat transit the kumlong in long kingmakers kumlong in le yaki aka chudon kam jong pai ba apo jong state ningi de kwa ban shukri ban le yak ba batam ringi request pai ba ban aying ki numbers the ningi scam ndai ta apo jan de hills kling sa dong jong ni state jong daga jing shania jong pai ba ningi scam ba hakani ga snem hownes nem arajar arpulai ba party UDP kan long party ban lead yak government ta de jing jong
Halo ke jinglong jingman apok clear civil hospital ba kermen ulapun pau bakila persang ban kren yode micu pathoru chakatran ka koi ka khia ban pen biang iktiar badon kam hapok hospital nak benta ka jimanto ki pai ba
comes to civil hospital clear we are trying to approach especially the MNHO. He has written a letter to the departments asking for those equipment which required for the civil hospital for functionary. So I believe in this government also that the department will give justice to the people of East Jaintia Hills by providing all those necessary requirements. We are waiting for that because I also accept that it cannot be done overnight, but I believe that the department will give the proper requirement all those equipment which we require. So we are waiting for that.